When I came to visit, it was shortly after my time at NIH as a postbac. And during my time there, I found that it was the lab environment, the community, that really created the experience. So when I was interviewing, this was something that I found strictly important during the interview process. And University of Maryland was something that really stood out to me. From the initial interviews to meeting the students, it really felt like we were all in this together, and it was the support that was critical. The PhD program that I selected was the molecular microbiology and immunology program. This was obviously a program that I found interesting because I found a love for immunology. And my current thesis is actually looking at the enzyme known as granzyme B. Classically, this enzyme is for the actual killing of targeted infected cells and cancerous cells. However, recent research has found granzyme B to actually have a very broad role in the extracellular environment. So what I'm actually studying is if cancer can actually manipulate granzyme B for its advantage, either through a migration aspect, increasing its ability to migrate and metastasize, or the internal mechanism. So if granzyme B is in the environment, does this trigger certain changes in the tumor during the actual response? And I believe understanding this could lead to a more unique approach for certain therapies for cancer. I believe I've changed dramatically. One thing in particular is that I've found the joy in the actual journey. When you join the MD-PhD program, you know your end goal. You know for a fact that you want to become a physician scientist. You may not know exactly what field, but you know that's your goal. However, sometimes that can allow you to become disconnected through the process, and that's one thing that I find very, very important is finding that love and that joy through the journey, because we are a select group of individuals. It's very rare for us to be in this kind of position, and to be in this environment. It's not common, obviously. So take this time to really enjoy this journey. There's certain things that you will learn that nobody else will. So throughout my overall time in the MD PhD program at University of Maryland, it's been something amazing. It's been extremely supportive throughout this environment. In fact, every circumstance that I've asked to, branch out, try to find something else, something interesting in my research, everyone has been spot on, go for it, being supportive in all of our endeavors. It's not just me, it's through all of the other students in my program. It's something that I couldn't imagine I would have gotten at a different program. It seems to be extremely specific for University of Maryland and for the curriculum and the environment that they've instilled.